Assalamu alaikum everyone. So I've been asked some few questions, what is going on with BONK at the moment and this and that. All right, so first of all, the trend line here can actually still be another indicator of where exactly BONK really wants to go and touch and read. So if you look at Bitcoin is making some few bad progresses, and to be honest with you, it's probably 2024 is turning out to be a disappointment. I was actually imagining at the start of the year that maybe July and the month, by the middle of the year, are going to be actually in a very good position. But it seems like we're still in a bear market, and it doesn't seem as if we're getting our patience rewarded. But I'm still not losing hope, because there's no point in losing hope at this point of time when you do have some time till next year, September. So we're going to see until September. This is still not the time frame to kind of say anything about the market, right? So we still are down. There's fear spreading across. There's a lot of FUD going on. People are still wondering if there's any chance to bounce back. Some people might actually start opening up short position. Some people might sell and run away because they don't want to take any more losses. But whatever you do, man, that's your shot. But I'm just going to sit down and keep waiting, as I did for the past 2 years. I don't see myself really going away anywhere anytime soon. So if BONK wants to move any further lower, we might actually see BONK coming down to this trend line, as I said before. Okay, so this is your final touch that you may have, and maybe start to bounce off from here and get a good reaction to the upside. Another thing is that we may actually still see a rebound from here. You actually do have some few support line going on over here. So let's say if you do touch down to 2113, if you close below 2113, because people are saying that what's the condition of going any lower, then I'm just gonna do this. That's weird. Right, I was just trying to drop in the blue line. So if you do make it below this technical target 2114, maybe just come a little bit below and close like this, then you might actually just go all the way down to this trend line, which is going to be 1749. And of course you do have a little bit of a pattern that actually can take you down there, which looks like ascending right angle ascending broadening wedge. This is actually a little bit bearish, to be honest with you. So you do have that trend line, and this trend line goes like that, and you take another one which goes like this as well. And if you make it down, if you pop down below, then you might actually just see this thing going all the way from there all the way down here, and this will offer a move down to, again, 1762, and that's where you really can get in for a huge discount and a cheap price. Now, secondly, is if you don't really come down here, let's just hope that you move up from here and you just bounce back off, and Bitcoin also bounces off from 57,000 region. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one, loves.